Welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on with the Thankful Garden stamp set and the Lovely Garden paper pack to create these layouts. And this one features these Thankful Garden decorative masks, which help you create these flowers with no coloring whatsoever. And you can even decide if you want to stamp. So I love doing pages that don't require stamping. Now, technically, there is a little bit of stamping here just to put some blackness into the flower middles, but all of these are just blending brushes and ink pads just to using the masks to create those. So layout number one, these are my layouts. So they're very simple. They're just blocks of color and blocks of paper with another one over here, some place for messages. And I love layouts where you can include a mess of photos. And this one is also a great option for flip flaps. There's a lot of places where a flip flap could be added without hindering any of the decoration. And also, you don't even need to decorate these if you don't want to. The paper is so pretty all on its own, but I did want to add some decoration. So this is optional to you. It's an extra step, but I think it's very pretty. Okay, so layout number two. So this one uses the colored paper for that base layer, and then we cheated. In theory, this is supposed to be a white piece that goes all the way to the center, but why? You only see this little bit, so I just give you a little bit. We're going to stack the papers up, and actually, you want to start here in the middle because these two big white leaf papers equal a 12, well, a 12 by 11 and a half. And then you build outwards. So once you get these down, then you can put these down, then you can put these down, and whatever space is left, that's how much of your white is showing. So that's the easiest way to do that. And then we've got some photo, I don't know, photo frames, thank you. And a journaling box here. And then again, we've included, so I didn't tell you on this one. So this one uses cloud cover in the background, blueberry bushel for the medium color, and then night of navy for the dark color. And then we've got jade for the main flower with garden green for the accent pieces. So those are the colors I used on that one. On this one, I would recommend using fresh freesia and then petunia pop and then berry burst. But to be honest, I didn't have fresh freesia, so I used bubble bath and periwinkle to create a purple where there is no purple. So you can definitely blend your way into colors here. So that was awesome. And layout number three, again, just solid block of color, solid block of design, and solid block. This is a kind of a 4-3-2 design layout, very copyable to do another way. And then I just put another block here to add some more photo spots in there. And then on this one, oh, I might not have told the truth because the berry burst and the petunia pop is here. I can't remember what I used on these purpley ones. Oh dear, I will have to look that up. But this one, I did decide to use my ink pad, my black ink, to outline these flowers just to give it a different look, and because it has, a lot of black on here, just to help it stand out a little bit. But again, lots of I love little 2x2 photos. This is how you can just do a close-up of something really important that happened in that. So like if this is a, backyard fun, maybe this is potato salad and this is a game, cornhole bean bag, and this, just little bits of the various things that are going on, but lots of fun. So thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.